Don't press the button 7. There's 7 of these now. Let me show you the one I used to play. This is the true don't press the button. This is the one that I actually care about. And this is the one that I'll be playing in today's video. Rob the bank. Sir, yes sir. Oh, there's a whole thing here. Okay. Alright. Ooh! I didn't think it would be right there, not gonna lie. I've not played this game in years. Okay. Escape the bank. Yay, I win. My username is misspelled. It's really annoying me. But I'm not changing it because it costs 1,000 Robux. Also, I'm pretty sure I did it because there was some other guy which had the correct spelling. Boy! You spin me right around, right around. Also, I'm using a new microphone to record this video. Okay, let me press this button. I didn't get to help the mechanic find this tape measure. Well, I guess we'll find this tape measure now. Look at the map. I have a map, guys. Do you want this map? This is the wrong tool. Oh, I see now. Are you this dumb? Why can't you just walk up to here? Look at the tools. Grab the tape measure and do your work. Bring me my paintbrush. Bro, didn't we just get here? Bring me my hammer. Oh. Thank you for bringing... Aww, I didn't get to bring him his stuff in time. Get your team ball to the end to win. Okay, well my team's doing this, I guess. Whoa! What is this? What's happening? Ah, red team won. Jump over the lasers. I jumped over a laser. Oh. Yeah, I win. Watch out for the raining bombs. Oh. Guys, I'm watching out for the raining bombs. Do you think I'll be able to watch out for the raining bombs until the event's over? Probably not. Oh, I think I can. Okay, we survived it. Let's press it. Enter the mysterious cave. Reach the top. Yeah, I won. My favourite dance on Roblox, because it's one of the only ones I have. It's called the SpongeBob. Look at this whole group of people surrounding the button. Who's gonna press it first? It wasn't me. Get ready for what? Oh! Ah, Angelia, no! I don't know what to do whilst I wait, so I'm gonna put my camera sensitivity to the max. And there's a thing you can do on Roblox. Fire the most amount of fireworks. Well, can I at least climb the ladder first? Hello. Fireworks! Where are you? Did she steal it from me? What is this mysterious drink? We decide we are going to drink the drink. The mysterious drink does absolutely nothing. Oh, never mind, I'm turning purple. Whoa, I'm disco! Don't fall. On. Yep. Well, that lasted long, didn't it? Okay, this video might not have been as long as last video, but bye.